So you take the indirect fire, you get behind cover, you fire back, fire back, fire back. All right, then you're supposed to like roll out of the cover, right? Place your weapon back on safe, roll out of the cover, right? Bounce up, come up.
Pause for the cause. So for anybody who thinks they're going to click through this video, please don't. I really suggest you watch it from beginning to end. We were out here in the field conducting training for a whole week, and I thought it was a great idea to come and ask these soldiers to give you all advice. So they really gave you all good advice for anybody who's thinking about joining the military, and they may have answered some of your questions. So make sure you watch it from beginning to end. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, if you liked it, if you want to see more like this, and definitely hit that subscribe button because I will be putting out more content like this. But I wanted to make sure you all got some advice from some real life soldiers other than myself. I hope you enjoy.
On ground, butt stock to the ground, all right? Then they kind of roll to the side, put it in your elbow or shoulder
pocket.
and then start firing again.
Pew, pew, pew.
All right, just like that. That's a 3 to 5 second rush. You got it?
Oh.
Yeah. Butt stock, then to your knees and roll to the side. Not knees, butt stock. All right. Low crawl.
Sorry.
High crawl, excuse me. We'll do high crawl first. All right. So weapons placed like this, dust covers up and closed. All right. And then you're grasping the magazine like this. All right. And then you're doing your high crawl. You got it? Is this so you can
Get out of
look at it later, or are you gonna be sending this out?
No, I'm not sending it.
Right,
I mean,
so
I
that's
can
the
if you want me to.
Storyboards aren't. Bam. All right, dust cover up, grasping the magazine like that. Got it? All right, then the low crawl.
It's R&B. It's our major one.
Does he? All right, I'll be there in a second. All right, low crawl. It's nice when you have a sling, but you're supposed to grab it right here. All right, rest it across your forearm, keeping the muzzle up. All right. Doing it in the dirt. All right, and you're looking at the muzzle. You can't look away like this. You're dragging your head. You're only moving one leg up. You're dragging the other leg, keeping it down, not like this. All right. Entire body against the ground. Looking at your muzzle. Reach up, push. Reach up, push. Reach up, push.
And those hands have to be parallel. You can't.
Yeah, you can't alternate like this.
Yeah.
If they want, they can alternate their feet like this, but they still have to look at the muzzle.
Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it.
If you're with me, women, let me hear you say.
My name is Specialist Teasley. I'm a pharmacy technician. I've been in the military for 2 years and like 3 months. And I would say the hardest part about being in the military is having discipline.
My name is Specialist Clinton, and I've been in the military for about 2 years and about 3 months as well as Specialist Teasley. And I'm gonna tell you what I like about the military. I like the adventure. It's not always adventurous, but if you have a positive attitude, pretty much you can get through any situation. I like meeting new people, and I like being in different places.
Hey everybody, it's Army Princess here, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have the woods behind me and I'm glowing. I just walked up this hill, but it's not pregnancy glow, it's sweat glow. But I am out here conducting training all week with all of these soldiers. We're doing Army warrior training, and I thought it would be a good idea to ask some of these guys who are training how they feel about the military and just give you guys advice. So I'm gonna do a little video this week. I'm gonna catch all these people's responses, and you'll get to know what actual real military soldiers feel and what information they want to give you guys.
Dropping the mag, locking it to the rear, checking it like that. All right, that's clearing. Not mag in, because you just loaded one, right? Okay.
Good morning. I'm Specialist Flores. I've been in the Army since May of 2016, so roughly over 27, 28 months now. Some questions you might have about the Army is, does it suck? It does. Is it worth it? it can be. It's really what you make it to be. Don't judge your whole experience in the Army off of that one time you got yelled at in basic or AIT. Don't judge it off of your first duty station. Give it an opportunity. Overall, has it helped me? Yeah. I joined late, 27 now, and a lot of these NCOs around me are like 22, 23, 24. So if you join right out of high school, you know, good for you. If it's something you're gonna stick with it. But overall, it's not for everybody. Wouldn't you say so, Ford?
It's not for everybody. Give it a shot, and while you're in, don't waste your time. Get what you can out of it. Go to college, get your degree, do everything you can, get promoted. If you like it, do everything you can to get promoted. If you don't like it, do everything you can to get what you can out of it, and then just get out and figure out what you can do with your life.
Have a plan.
Yeah.
Have a plan. Have a plan. That's it. Like, if you know, like, right now I'm a medic. It's like 16 weeks of training at Sam Houston after basic. And then don't just join the Army and be a medic, solely a medic. You know, the Army isn't a career, it's a stepping stone to your end goal. So my plan is to finish up college, which I already started, going into my second year. And I'm planning to utilize the Army to become a physician assistant. So even though the Army is a career per se after my 20 years, when I'm done, I have another career to fall into. So the Army isn't just a job, it's a stepping stone to better yourself. Remember that.
As tight as you can go. And then going to twist. Either until bleeding stops or until there's no pulse. I can't go anymore, right? I'm gonna lock it. I'm also gonna check your pulse. No pulse. Do you wanna try to feel your pulse? No pulse, right?
Do you really don't have a pulse?
Mm-mm.
Because it cuts off the circulation. Oh,
Okay,
I
I
didn't
also
know that.
can't fit my finger underneath here, right? That's a good sign that it's done properly. Time, you always want to put what time you applied this tourniquet. That's really important because depending on how long it's been on here, it could lead to a possible amputation, but you still save that person's life, okay?
I'm Sergeant King. Been in for 6 years, and it's been an experience, you know? I wanted to be part of something that was bigger than me, and I feel like I achieved that. One thing that I would probably leave new soldiers with is, you know, don't forget where you came from. You have a lot to learn going through the ranks, and the Army is a big system, and even if you're not here, the Army still goes rolling along. So remember what kind of legacy you're leaving behind, and focus on that. The Army is made for people to move up. So
Good morning.
just remember that part, and remember that you're in it not for you to be bigger than something bigger than yourself.
You feel me? PFC Mark, you know, I'm a best soldier, the best, got the highest PT score, all it. But if you're gonna join the military, the Army specifically, just be serious about it. Don't play games, because I'm known for being a jokester. I could be specialist, but I'm playing in games right now. But when I get that specialist, I'm gonna be real serious. So sorry, go ahead and recommend me for that promotion.
Right next to 0. Now you can turn the radio to on.
So you see SC, which is your single channel.
And then push to talk on that little handset there.
And now click menu.
Send up your non-line, and then once you get done with that, you'll change it to Z. It'll clear everything out, and then you turn it off.
Long, right? Gas, gas, gas. You can put the weapon between his legs. PC on his muzzle. Pull the straps over, right? Bottom straps first to tighten, then the middle ones, then the tops. All right, now on the big circle, you're gonna blow out, then on the filter, you're gonna suck in, give the signal. You also wanna make sure that you close your carrier before you give the gas, gas, gas in.
Sergeant Walker, I've been there going on 7 years. And advice I got for the people that wanna join, do your own research. Don't listen to your recruiters. Mine lied to me. Oh, they lied. I'ma just tell you that. They lied about the pay. They said I wasn't gonna deploy. I deployed twice. So don't listen to them. And for the younger soldiers, don't make the mistake I did. Use your TA, like off bat. As soon as you get in, use your TA, tuition assistant. Go free schooling. get that knocked out, make sure you get your degree, and that's pretty much it. Don't get in trouble. I got a lot of trouble. Don't do it.
Alright, my name is Specialist Rodriguez. I've been in for 3 years, and my advice to anybody looking to join the Army in the future is to choose a MOS that you enjoy, that you know you're gonna like. Talk to people before you actually commit to it. Know what you're committing to, and try and get anything and everything you can from the service, such as schooling, even military education as far as airborne, air assault, anything you want to do, sky's the limit. You just gotta know what you want to do.
Okay, thank you.
I'm Specialist Alexander. I work here at Behavioral Health. I've been here for like 3 years now. When I first got here, everybody was really nice. So when you come in here, come in with a good attitude. For go, it's not Hawaii, it's not Germany. I understand, but just come in with a positive experience. If you're not married, don't rush to get married. There's nothing too bad about the barracks. Enjoy your time here. Get out of the house. Get off post. Use your chain of command. You got a good chain of command, because when you're at a field unit, you don't get this kind of respect, or you don't get this kind of opportunity. So do good. Enjoy yourself.
So today is the last day of training. As you can see, I've gotten a tan. It's hot, but I'm out here and we out here training. So I have asked quite a few people about their advice to give to you all, and today's the last day, so I'm going to get some more. And I'm also going to give you guys a little bit of snippet of some of the training we've been doing, so stay tuned.
I'm bleeding. Are you bleeding?
Good suppressive fire, thank you. Your battle buddy's dying. You up again? I got you coming, battle buddy. Go ahead, get to your wounded fellow soldier. Hey, buddy! Enemy has been suppressed.
I'm Staff Sergeant Vanikirk, Nicole. Some advice to go to basic training would be probably familiarization with ranks would be a help, and coming to basic training at least with in shape, being able to run 2 miles, do the minimum amount of push-ups and sit-ups that are necessary to graduate.
Okay.
Sergeant Grizzle, United States Army. Just have a plan when you go in. Research job opportunities in the Army, know what you want to do, and then try to make that happen. And once you go out of the Army, make sure that you have the certifications that go along with that job experience.
Hard work, hard work. Hard work, hard work. Hard work, work. Hard work, work. Everybody doing it right. Hard work, work, work. That's what we say. Hard work, work, work. Earn what pay. Hard work, work. Hard work, do it every day. Hard work, work. Get up out of 2:45. Hard work, work.
Hey, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? Go now.